In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add a listing or a property inside of your portfolio in Buildium. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Buildium like you usually would. Then from here, you need to, of course, log into your account. From here, it should bring something like this once you're into the dashboard. From here, you'll need to go over to Rental and then go out to Properties. From here, it should bring something like this. And up here in the right hand corner, you can click Add Property right here. Then from here, this page should be popping up. And here you can select the property type, either a condo or townhome, multifamily, single family, or a commercial use like industrial, office, retail, shopping center, storage, or parking space. So let's just choose a condo or townhome. Then from here, you need to add in a street address right here, and you need to add the city, the state, the zip code, and the country for this specific property. From here, you can add who is the property owner. If it's not you, then you can add a rental owner down here, and you can create your own one if you want to do that. From here, you'll also need to say, what are this property primarily bank accounts? And here you can select the operating account. You can add deposit trust account, and you can add property reserve. Down here, you can also add who will manage this property. And here you can select it between all of your employees that you have inside of Buildium. So let's just choose Robert Friedman for this tutorial. Then from here, you need to enter the units. And here you can add the unit number, you can add or see the unit address. And here you can select how many bedrooms, baths, and square feet. You can also over here add photos. And over here, you can put in a lease if you want to do that. You can also down here add another unit, select the unit number, rooms, baths, square feet, photos, add lease. And if you want to delete it, you need to click on this X over here in the right hand corner and you'll delete that specific unit. From here, you'll just need to click create property and then you'll have posted or listed the property in Buildium. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!